doing this. You get the point. So this is
What's up, everyone? Super excited. How are you doing, guys? You're welcome to another Forex trading outlook section with Mayowa Owolabi. How are you doing? Tell me where you're joining from. Super excited. It's another day where we analyze the charts together and we discuss the way forward on how to trade this week. Okay? And tell me where you're joining from. Tell me how your week has been. How has your trading been? How many trade have you traded this week? Are you in profit or you're in negative? What strategy did you use for your entry? And what are you expecting in the market this week? Great, 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 great. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Let's click on the share button. Let's get others to have access to this session. It's going to be a great time as usual. I'm really excited and I'm pumped up. The market has been really been walking towards my expectation. So I can go in for a very long time. Thank you for joining. Tell me where you're joining from. For the next 3 minutes, I want to welcome you all. I want you guys to share the video. Fantastic, fantastic. I'm excited. Thank you so much. Click on the like button as you join. We're going to start in 3 minutes. Click on the share button. Let's help other people to see this video for free. For free. Okay, for free. I'll be showing you a particular trade that's giving 1,300, almost 1,400 pips. And our entry was on the 3rd of last month. We've been holding this trade since the 3rd of last month, 9th of October, 9th of November. Okay, and he has given one to um, over 1 to 100 already. And this is how you should be seeing the market. This is how you should be seeing the market. Ebuka Forsage, how are you doing? Good afternoon, my brother. Good to have you on. Great. Our song. How is Cameroon? How is Cameroon, Hassan? I'm sure Cameroon is fine. And how are you doing today? Samu Duma. How is it going? And how is your trading? How is your trading, Samu? Tell me how your trades have been. Ebuka says, awesome, sir. Fantastic. Good to know. Can everybody share this video? Can we click on the share button? Put in I have shared. Let me know if you guys have shared. Okwebi says, good afternoon, coach. Good afternoon, bro. How you doing? Good to hear from you. And how's your week going? How's your week going? Okay. I'm expecting a lot in the market this week. I'm going to do a breakdown on that. GBPCAD has given 1,400 pips. That's about 1 to 1, over 1 to 100 risk reward. I'm excited about it. Hi, good afternoon, sir. I am Gospel from Asaba. Hey, Gospel, how you doing, sir? And now it's Asaba. Hey, Yibo Samuel, going fine, sir. Thank you so much. Samuel Duman says, fine, sir. Shared, fantastic. Let's share. Let's click on the share button. Let's help other people see this. Let's help others to see this. Let's help others to see this. And I'm sharing myself. We just have about a minute more. If you have not shared, click on share. I want to share on various groups so that we can have more people join us today. Oh, great. Our song says Cameroon is great. I have shared. Fantastic. Fantastic. Let's share, let's share, let's share. I'm sharing to about 10 groups to 15 groups. Make sure you share 5 times. Make sure you share 5 times. Great. So let's get to work. Asaba is good. Happy Christmas in advance and nice meeting you. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much. So let's get to work. And as usual, the first place we're going to be dealing with is our index. And the essence of going through index is to understand what is actually happening in the market. So if you look at my screen right now, you see that JPY is in a supply and it's a weekly supply. And we're expecting JPY to lose more strength since he has hit the supply here. And if that happens, that means that JPYs will start buying. USD JPY will buy, GBP JPY will buy, AUD JPY will buy, so they will buy because the JPY as currency is weak. I told us last week that GBP is also pushing into the supply. Right now is in the supply, and we are going to be looking for GBP, looking for opportunity for to sell on GBP pairs. Okay, but if the GBP index breaks this zone, that means that the buyers are in control and they are not willing to weaken GBP. Okay, so this is good. Index is currently in a weekly demand, and I'm waiting for a retracement back to this other block. Then, if this happens, wow, EU will sell, NU will sell, UJ will buy, AU will sell, UCHF will buy, all of them will move. So this weekly zone is taking shape. So between now and Friday, if you are in the paid group, you have the details. If you are not in the paid group, you use your confirmation to look for a sell opportunity and you're good to go. I'm really excited about this because it's always the time I open up my swing trading account. Okay, every other time I don't even open it up at all. Okay, so I'm excited. We are getting ready for the opportunity to buy because the institutions are putting money in the USD pair. Euro is caged in this monthly zone, is on a drop-based drop, which is a monthly supply. So we're also going to be watching for a sell on euro. And if euro is weak, USD is strong, what do? You look for a sell opportunity on that pair. X, that's New Zealand pair. New Zealand, I told you guys, is in monthly supply, drop, base drop. So it's in monthly supply. If you go to weekly, rally, base drop, is in weekly supply. So we need to look for a sell opportunity. And if the sell happens, that means that NU will sell, NCHF will sell, NCAD will sell. All of those pair. And that's the essence of indexing, index trading. Swiss francs is already, it took off from a monthly demand, and that means that this guy can keep buying till the end of first quarter next year. And this is how to identify the behavior of the market for 3 months, 6 months, and you're good to go. CAD is still on demand buyers. Okay, so having established that, we are expecting JPY to be weak, GBP to be weak, DXY to be strong, EXY to be weak, Swiss NZD to be weak, AUD to be weak, then CHF to be strong, and CAD to be strong. I haven't established that. Does that make sense? Put in some 777 right there. Put in 777 right there. 7. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, Mr. Folorusho. Good afternoon, sir. Good to see your face. Same here. Good to have you. Hope you are getting ready for the Money Matters session next week, Saturday. Hope you are getting ready. Caleb, greetings. How you doing? How is Dubai? So is the index clear? Fantastic. Chime said 7. Folorusho said 7. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. I need some energy right there. Let's go. Ehibo Samuel says typing 7 too. Fantastic. 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 So I haven't gotten the direction of the individual currency. It is now for us to join two pairs together, leveraging on the weak and the strong. So when you join them together, you'll be able to get direction. So Chime says, "Sir, where did you get the index?" I got the index on Trading View. Trading View. Trading View. Not on MetaTrader 4. Trading View. Hey, Mr. Ayo. Deji, how are you doing? Good to have you. Mr. Ayo has joined the paid group to learn the institutional trading concept. Okay. I need to even interview Mr. Ayo to share his experience. Okay. One of these days I'll bring you on, Mr. Ayo, to share your experience. Okay. Fantastic. Oshokaya also typing 77. Okay, so for Chime Oluchi's question, you have to have Trading View. You can use the free version or the paid version. I use the paid version, and on it you can now search for the index there. Then from there, you can scale up, and you're good to go. Okay, Mr. Ayo, hope you are gaining value. Hope you are gaining value from the paid group. Hope you're gaining value from the paid group. Okay, so like I do tell you guys that the institutions naturally do not trade, the way we trade. The institutions do not trade the way we trade. They move money from one currency to another. Okay, Mr. Ayo say a lot of value, sir. Fantastic. So what happened if JP Morgan wants to trade Forex? JP Morgan puts money in euro or puts money in JPY or puts money in gold or puts money in any of these currencies that they want to invest in. Another thing that the institutions do is that they don't trade daily. They trade long term, 3 months, 6 months. So when they put money in a pair or in a currency, they are willing to be there for 3 months, 6 months, and we are good to go. So if you want to really leverage, on the strength of the information you have, which is trading in alignment with these people. And once you are able to do that, you can make a lot of money for yourself and you're good to go. So from there, what pair do you guys want us to start with today? And if you have any question, a lot of values are fantastic. If you have any question, let's shoot. Tell me, what pair do you want us to start with today? Make sure you like the video, you share, help other people to gain access to this. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Osokoya says card chef. Opemi says end chef. So we need people to second. Tell me. Let's go and crash this. Last week I told you guys about GBPCAD. How many of us caught GBPCAD last week? GBPCAD last week gave us, from the entry I gave you guys last week, right now I think you guys should have done more than 300 pips between last week and now. How many of us traded that entry last week? Between last week and now, that's done 509 pips. Who took that GBPCAD? How do you pair two weak pairs? How do you pair two weak pairs? Okay, Samuel Ojuma, maybe you'll come again with that question. Official John Money, how you doing? So Opeyemi says NCHEF, Oshukoya says CACHEF, Samuel Ojuma says GJ. You guys know how we run it. You have to second, or somebody seconds your pair. I'm going to be analyzing 4 pairs together. We can't analyze the whole pair, okay? Oluchi says gold and CACHEF. So let's start with CACHEF, since Oshukoya and Ifiok is also saying CACHEF. It's like all of you are liking CACHEF. What is in CACHEF? Let's go and check. You guys are mentioning CACHEF. CACHEF. So let's do top-down analysis there. I've told you people now, since almost 3 months now, I've told you that we are selling CACHEF. Yeah, keep selling CACHEF. There's nothing. Don't buy. Don't even buy. Because CACHEF need to come to 0.62500 or 0.6263, 0.63. So we still have close to about 668 pips to go. I will personally not sell CACHEF. Not buy CACHEF. Let's go to weekly. If you can get a closer supply. Okay, there's a close supply on weekly. Guys, always know that I can be wrong. I'm just sharing from my view. I'm not yet to tell you my strategy is the almighty. I'm just sharing my view, guys. Just sharing my view. I've been here for a while, so I have the license to share what I've seen, okay? So weekly supply, okay? If we want to buy, it will be counter trend. And once it is counter trend, I've told you, you either ignore it or you trade it on lower time frame using the trend pattern, the trend strategy, using the trend market structure. Let's go and check if I can get some. Maybe we can take something from here for a reversal. But since last week, I told you guys we are selling. It has to come very deep. We still have about 600 pips to go. So if you want to buy, you have to look for a short-term buy. But right now, my bias is sell. Just sell, guys. Sell. Sell. That's my bias. Just sell. Look for sell and sell. Use your indicator. Use your approach. Use your strategy. Just sell. Is card chef clear, please? Is card chef clear? Fantastic. Oluchi, my screen is clear. My screen is clear. And I'm sure others can see it. Ayomide says it is clear, sir. Fantastic. Any other pair? We've settled with card chef. Okay, we have Chukwuemeka says EU, GU. Adeolu says gold. Okay. Candy says EU. Ayomide says e-card. Alexander says Euro AUD. Alex, make sure you don't miss the December private session. It is clear. Fantastic. Okay. Mary Arogunbade says clear, sir. Thank you. Okay, so we have quite some numbers of people saying we should do GU. We have 2 people saying GU. So let's go to GU. From what I've explained, USD is in USD as an index is in weekly demand and also monthly demand. GBP, sorry, as a pair is a monthly flip zone. So what does that tells you from what I've been teaching you since? What does that tells you that we are going to be doing on GU? Are we going to be buying or we are going to be selling? Are we going to be buying or we are going to be selling? Ayomide says sell. Fantastic. Because USD is in a potential buy zone, GBP is in a potential sell zone. So you don't need to look for buy at all. GU will sell. So let's check. Let's check what we have. So it's in that flip zone there. And in that flip zone, that's what we're going to be looking for sell. We have to sell. Sell, seller, Celeste. Okay. So it got reacted here today. It got reacted here on this 1 hour demand. And on this 1 hour demand, I personally missed the 5 minutes entry. So there's a 5 minute entry that I saw, but I was in my staff meeting. I was in the staff meeting with my staff. So I didn't drop this in our community. This was about 8 pips stop loss. So would have just would have done 80 pips. That's 1 to 7. That's 1 to 7. So right now, and that is counter trend. That means that you are buying into the supply zone. So you have to look for a sell opportunity around 12300. around 1.2300. That's how I'll be looking for a sell opportunity. And if I can get that, I will go to 5 minutes or 15 minutes and look for my lower time frame trade. I don't put pending order. I don't trade pending order. I trade, if you trade here now, this is 64 pips. And you know my stop loss is between 5 to 20 pips. So I don't do 64 pips is much. So we have to break it down more. We have to break it down more. We have to break it down more. Is GU clear, guys? Are we ready for GU sell this week? Tell me, is that clear? Let's go. Come on. So around 1.2300, that's the institutional level there. I'll be looking for a sell. So your strategy, you have to blend your strategy with that. Your strategy must, your entry strategy should tell you to sell around that zone. Your exit strategy should give you your stop loss. You must just have that. You must have exit strategy, where to sell. You must have exit strategy, where to buy. Okay? Yes. Fantastic. So it's going to be, we have all it takes, guys, to rake some sweet money this week. Fantastic. So I will be expecting, I'll be expecting G. Yeah. So remember, GBP JPY buy, Euro JPY buy, Euro, all the JPYs we are looking for buy. USD, GU, EU, AU, NU, all the U's sell. USD JPY, USD CHF buy. So GU, I'll be looking at a sell zone around 1.20, 1.2300. Okay, Candy Boy says, when is the right time to stay off trading this December? And when is the right time to start trading in January? So it depends on the type of trader you are. Okay, it depends on the type of trader you are. If you're an intraday trader, you might not get the kind of volume you want to get every day. Okay, but if you're a swing trader, there will be a lot of money to catch up in December. So I recommend, I stopped trading from 23, 24, 23. Okay, but you know, I'm not even, when I mean stop trading, I stop looking at charts, but I trade. You know, I'm a swing position trader. This week, if I catch my trades this week, because I'm seeing my trades that I'm going to be holding till March next year, till March, April, June, till March and June next year. Okay, so I might not be trading actively. Okay, but my trades are setting up already that I can hold till next year, March. So, but as an intraday question, this question is particularly to those that are intraday traders that they trade every day. Okay, so when the market begins, once you get to 20th, from the 20th, the market is always slow. Okay, so you might not get an average pair that moves 70 pips per day or 50 pips per day will be moving like 30 pips per day. okay, like 30 pips per day. So you might not get the volume, but for me and the people in our community, we trade round the clock. New Year Day, if we meet our condition, we enter it. Okay, because we trade less. We are not everyday traders. Like an average of 4 to 10 trades a month. That's what we do. That's the whole trade that we do in a month. So just depend the kind of person you are. Hope I've answered your question. Okay, GBP USD. So last week I told you guys to buy GBP card. Anybody caught GBP card? I dropped it on the group, on the Discord group. Anybody caught that? Sorry, I dropped it on the on the um, on the Telegram group last week. Okay, so some people picked it. Um, yeah. So last week, I also spoke about USD card. So if you had, so this is it. So this is the trade last week. This is the trade last week. So I told you guys that when the market comes back into this demand, it was going to buy around 1.61500. That's why I told you guys to buy. And if you buy around 1.6100 GBP card, if you had bought that last week around 1.6100, this is the buy. If you have bought last week from there to this place, it has given 480 pips, about 550 pips. That's what he has given. Personally, I'm still holding buy since November. I'm still holding the buy since November. So November 9. So he has given me 1,400 pips. But I gave you guys to add more. If you had joined that place, you have done about 500 pips. And depending on the lot stop loss you use, if you use 1 to 5, if you use 10 pips, 15 pips, that should be about 1 to 3, 1 to 30, 1 to 40 risk reward. Okay, so this is how to really get trading right, because a lot of us, that's one of the challenges we have. We want to go in, come out and look for the next trade. Go in, come out quickly, look for the next trade. If the pair has the capacity to go up more, you have to go to the bigger picture to complete the move. For example, I'm still expecting close to about 600 pips on GBPCAD or 400 pips on GBPCAD. So you have to be able to understand that and maximize that. So congratulations to those that caught that move last week, and we are good to go. We are good to go. Okay, 2 more pairs, then we'll take it up from there. And before I go on, let's talk about my books. This is the advert time. We have to talk about what I have done, right? Show some love now. Okay. Cryptocurrency code. You can get this on Seller, or you reach out to the admin. Okay. can reach out to the admin. Cryptocurrency code. A lot of you want to make money in cryptocurrency, you have to buy this book and read. Don't buy and keep. Financial market code. This is my 8-10 years journey. I put everything in this book. Financial market code. What you need to do, how you should be trading, how the banks, the institutions, how they built the forex market, that they are using your money and my money before they don't use my money again, how they are using our money to form liquidity for them to take their profits. I explain all the mystery here. If you can read this book twice or 3 times, you will overcome. Then I have the cryptocurrency checklist. The cryptocurrency checklist. If you want to succeed in cryptocurrency, you have this. You need to have this. This will help you to know when a YouTuber says go and buy an asset. A lot of you will just go and open your Binance, or you open your MetaMask, and you just buy the assets. No, it's not right. Understand why you are buying. At least if somebody tells you an asset, that should be like 50% checklist. Then use your own. Use 30% to be your own decision. To understand, then you put your money there. Because it's your hard-earned money, guys. You worked so much. You worked hard to make the money. So don't just invest because of somebody came and said they make money from crypto 3 years ago and say go and buy, and you go and buy. Let me share something with you. It is not every asset that even me that I make money on. I bought Axie Infinity. It gave me 14,000%. And the people in the crypto group, we bought Bitcoin Cash Diamond. Okay, Bitcoin Cash Diamond. We bought that. It gave us 1,000%. I gave you, all of you, I gave you Shiba Inu last year. Shiba Inu gave us 1,000%. That is the one that made all the profits that I have made. Do you understand? But there are some projects. I bought Reef, REEF. He has not given me 20%. I bought so I bought some other ones that did not. So imagine, I now say you should buy one project, and that one, it did not grow. You didn't make money from it. So you have to understand that it's a portfolio. Okay, so I said that here in this, so you make sure you get that. Okay, then a lot of you that you are into digital business, you want to learn more about digital business, you want to get this for yourself. Then, Mr. Mayowa, how can I build wealth? I have this in my wealth creation blueprint. How to build wealth. I have this in my wealth creation blueprint. If you buy this book, you will understand how wealth is given, and you're good to go. So that's the 5 books that I've written. We're going to be launching in January another 5 in January. Okay, currently I'm writing the 14th book right now, so that's why I'm very busy, and I'm creating courses too. And for you that want to join the Forex community, okay, you want to reach out to the number showing on the screen. You want to learn how to trade, not to be giving signal. I'm not a signal provider, but I will teach you how to become a signal provider. Some of the people I've trained, they have signal groups, they sell signals, but I'm not a signal provider. My goal is to teach you to become a signal yourself, okay, and understand how the market is structured. Okay, so we have the institutional trading concept course. Okay, that is to join that group is $350 for 3 months, and to be there for 1 year coaching. 1 year coaching is $1,000. I recommend you go for the $1,000 because everyone that has worked, that I have trained in the ITC, those that become successful at it are the people that are in for 1 year. Why? When you learn something for 3 months, you're still in the knowledge and the information phase. When you learn something for 6 months, you are moving into the experiential phase, which is a phase where you are correcting your mistakes and you are good to go. When you are doing something for 1 year, you are in the phase of where we call the revelation phase. The revelation phase, or the manifestation phase of knowledge, is the phase where you are now recreating the knowledge in your head. You have gone beyond information, you have experienced it. Now you are in the mastery phase. So that is the phase that you need, and that does not happen in 1 week. It does not happen in 2 weeks. It happens in a period of time, and I really want you guys to harness that. So if you want to join the Forex group, you can reach out to Bukola. Okay, currently we are running 20% discount on all of that because of the festive period, which actually is good for you guys. 20% is very, very good. So reach out to Bukola. So you should gives you 20% offer to join the Forex group, and you're good to go. And if you are Mr. Mayowa, I have learned to be an intraday trader. I want to. I've finished recording what we call the print bar strategy. The print bar strategy is an intraday way of trading. You want to be trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, that's called intraday. Okay, so we have a strategy for that allows you to be able to pick 1 to 3 risk reward, 1 to 5 risk reward, fund traders, prop firm traders. You want to pass, that is that cost for you. So we have that. That is out already. It's $500, and you're going to be having access to the group for 1 year. Okay, it's $500. You have access to it for 1 year. It's not a signal group. I told you that you want to learn it. So, but we drop signals. So if it's signals that you want, we drop signals. But it is not, the purpose is not for signal. The purpose is that you learn to do it. So when we drop signals, you pick it, you trade it, but question the signal. Why did Mr. Mayowa drop this signal? Why did the head of the trading department, why did he drop this signal? Why did my other trader, why did they drop? Why did they drop? When you understand the why, you will become an independent trader for yourself, and you're good to go. Okay? So, advert enough. Let's get back to work. Show some love if you guys are gaining value. How much is for the book? The book is 5,000 naira right now. Okay? EduCell is 10,000. The financial code is 10,000, but we're giving it out for 5,000. So all the books are 5,000 flat. So reach out to Bukola, she will give you. And if you are getting the bundle, you are getting all the 5 books, she will give you 20% discount. If you are getting all the 5 books. Let's get back to work. Can you drop the books also on your Telegram group so that one can make choice? Okay, I'll tell Bukola to do that for you. Okay. I will ask Bukola course for all should pick up in Ogba during the festive period. Fantastic. Reach out. If you are getting all the books, she will give you 20% discount. Okocha John, good day, sir. Good day. Okay. Follow Show says GU. I've analyzed GU now, right? GU, what did we say we are doing for GU? Everybody? What are we doing for GU? We said we are selling GU, and we are selling GU around 1.2300. That is the institutional level where we are buying from. We are selling from, not buying, sorry. 1.2200, 2300, not 2. 1.2300. That's where we are looking for sell opportunity from. I missed that buy today. There was an opportunity to buy this morning, but you know, we're good. So we are selling. Thank you so much, Ebuka, for the fire. So Mr. Alex says Euro AUD. I need somebody to back you up, Mr. Alex. Somebody, we are selling fast. Good. So, sir, since Euro card is correlated with GBP card, if GBP card keeps buying, will it affect the sell that is supposed to happen on Euro card? Yes, Euro card cannot sell. Euro card cannot sell. Euro card need to keep buying until GBP card is ready. Until GBP card is ready, we can't sell. Okay, hope I've answered your question, Ayomide. Gold, Oluchi says gold. Please, can Bukola drop a phone number on the chat, please? Okay, so this is Bukola's, this is the office line. She will help you. That's the number showing on your screen. +2349049. And if you're outside the country, you can get the online version. Can get the online version. Okay, GU sales. Yeah, we are selling GU. Okay, so Ayomide says gold. Oluchi says gold. So let's go and check what gold has for us. Let's go and check what gold has for us. But before we go there, from the index, what is the index saying? Index is saying that USD is going to be strong. And if USD is going to be strong, that means what? From what I've been teaching you guys. That means what? Tell me. That means that we are going to be selling on gold. We are going to be looking for sell on gold. Is that clear? Yes, that's the secret. Looks like something on GJ, Euro JPY. Yeah, Euro JPY we are buying. JPY JPY index is weak. I can be wrong. Okay. So let's go to gold. Gold. So gold, I told you 2 weeks ago that gold is on a weekly supply, right? Okay, so we're going to be looking to sell gold anywhere from 1800. That's the institutional level for gold. Anything around 1800, we're going to be selling. But sir, since there is about 200 pips to get to where we want to sell, can I buy? I know some of you, that's what you will be thinking. So if you want to buy, then you come to 1772 to take a short buy. But you know that if you are taking this buy now, it's against the trend, right? So you have to be careful. So this guy needs to retrace back and go to the top. Okay. So this is the only way. If you want to buy, by all means. Because some people, trading is hobby. They shall want to be in a trade. If they are not trading, they are not okay. You know, there are people like that. So, but for me, I prefer to sell. I prefer to wait for this sell around that 1797, which is 1800. I'll look for the sell there. Then I take that sell. And if we take that sell from there and that sell gets to activate, we're going to be holding gold from that level. We're going to be holding gold to 1500, 1538. So that's about 2,600 pips. And that will happen in 8 months. 8 months. 8 months. So that's my analysis for gold. Is that clear? Mr. Adeshino Adetunji. Good. So I'll be looking for sell on gold. But if it is a must you sell, if it is a must you buy, then you must go and pick the buy from lower time frame. Okay. So we have done CAD chef, we have done GBP USD, we have done gold. So let's do one more. But when you understand the index, you will be doing well. Oh. That's why I need you to understand it. So you are not just coming here every weekend and you are expecting my analysis. You need to also understand the way the market is structured so that you will be good over time. Mr. Akin Babatunde Shitu, happy birthday to you. He's one of my hardcore followers. Happy birthday, bro. Okay. So if you want me to analyze NCHEF from the indices, you know that NCHEF is sell. NZD USD from the indices, NZD USD is sell. USD JPY from the indices. JPY JPY is weak, is on weekly supply. Monthly supply. USD is strong, is on monthly demand. So what should happen to USD JPY? Ayomide, what should happen? Just understand it so that you yourself, you'll be an analyzer. If there's an English like that. Fantastic, that's the word. That's the word. So USD JPY you buy. So which one should we add to it? I need all of you to retype your pen, so I'll pick one. Let's go. I'm excited. Don't forget, tomorrow is cryptocurrency, and a lot is happening in the cryptocurrency space. We'll be talking more about that tomorrow. So let's just work with let's just pick randomly, okay? Opeyemi says NCHEF. Opeyemi says NZD USD. Alex says Euro AUD. Okay, Alex is my amazing protege. So let me tilt towards Alex. But Alex, you are a trader. You already know ITC now. Oh yeah, good job. So if AU is weak, Euro AUD will be buying. Okay. Okay, so Emuka says NU. So let's go to NU. Since two people have said NU. Let's go to NZD USD. NZD USD. Sell. Sell, seller, Celeste. If there's an English like that. So the market is in this frame. You can see. lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and the market is back here. So we're looking for a sell opportunity around 6,400, 0.64. Anything above that place, we'll look for a sell opportunity there. Anything above this place, we look for 64, we look for a sell opportunity. Okay. NZD USD 6,400. Let me see if I can drop the analysis on the on the don't forget you have to use your own entry strategy and exit strategy. Okay, because that's the only way to remain in business. So I've dropped NU in the group, I've dropped gold in the group. GU, I've dropped GU also in the group. Okay. Kachev, the trade is not ready. So there's nothing to drop for Kachev. There's nothing to drop. I've dropped all of that in the group. Okay. If you are in the city of Lagos, I want you to join Khadija. On the 17th of this month, if you're in the city of Lagos, join me. Give me yeah, just one. So if I'm in the city of Lagos, I'm hosting a free and paid. It's called Money Matters Masterclass. Okay, you guys can see it. Money Matters Masterclass, and the topic this month is goal settings for 2023. Okay, if you're a forex trader, don't miss it. I'll share with you how to set goal as a trader. Any business you do, let's talk about goal settings. Okay, we have it's 10 o'clock beside ShopRite Ikeja. If you're in city of Lagos, 10 a.m. Okay, we have the free and we have the VIP. So if you want to join the VIP, reach out to Bukola. I'll be having a private session with the VIP. Action plan to bring 2023 into reality. So don't miss it for any reason. Action plan. So I'll be sharing that for you guys. The VIP is 35,000 naira, which is $50. Okay. After the free session, we have the VIP session. So with that, you're good to go. So what's your take home today? Let's go. Let's round this up. I'll see you guys if you are in Lagos at the Money Matters Masterclass. Money Matters Masterclass. What's your take home? Ayomide says, thank you, coach. You're welcome. my take home today, understand index. Please do. It will help you. Or we should major on currency. Currency index is like the spy. It is like this. It's something you use to spy what the institutions are doing. With currency index, you don't need to watch. With currency index, you don't need to be following news. I don't check Forex Factory. I can't remember the last time I checked Forex Factory. Do you understand, guys? So, but you need to learn it. Maybe I'll create a course for it. You don't need to, once you learn currency index, you don't need to learn. But I have something for you guys on that explains is how to 10x your account. I can't remember that particular video I did that I explained, because the institutions have over 64% of the share in the market. There are about 11 of them that control 64%. Imagine 11 people controlling 64%. And me and you, we only control not up to 2%. Me and you, not up to 2%. So they are the one that rule in the affairs of the Forex market. So you cannot ignore them. It's not news. It's not news that controls the Forex market. So I'm not talking down those that trade fundamental, but it's not news. Okay? The institutions, they are the one that dictate the direction. And because it is who pays the bill, that the piper will obey or something. I can't remember that proverb. But it's just all about who has the money. It's all about who has the money. If you have the money right now, you can shake and change what is happening in the market. You can. So that's why it's like that. Okay? Great. So that's all. But if you are in the ITC, Institutional Trading Concept community, you have access to that. It's just free. It's the same. Okay? So if you want to join the Forex group, reach out to Bukola. If you want to join the crypto group, reach out to Bukola. Enjoy promo. When promo ends, now some of you will now be chatting me up. When there's no promo, I can't create promo. Okay? I have board of directors that approves our promo. I'm the CEO. I will soon even give somebody the CEO so I can do other projects. Okay? So I'll just retain founder. Are you excited today? Put in 777. If you guys are excited about today's session, put in 777. If you are not following me on Instagram, you are missing. No, you are missing. I am Mayowa Owolabi. You are missing. Okay? Have a great day, guys. My name remains Mayowa Owolabi. I look forward to seeing you at the top and not from the top, because the floor is crowded. Come up. Let's make the difference. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 2 p.m. as we go deeper in the Forex, in the cryptocurrency market. Talk to you soon. Yes, thank you. Una gave me that word. He who pays the piper dictates the tune. God bless you. Thank you. He who pays the piper dictates the tune. That's the word. That's the word. See you guys tomorrow.